Bixby voice assistant with the Star Media Group capsule. So let's start. Talk to the star.
Welcome to the Star. I'm your voice assistant and I can read you the latest or trending news, or just the headlines. Please choose one of these options. Latest headlines, latest news, top headlines, top news.
So right here there's 4 topics that the user can choose from. They can essentially just use their finger to tap any of these, or they can essentially use voice command. So right now I'm going to show you the latest news voice command to enter the latest news topic. Latest news.
COVID-19, spike of 31 new cases, death toll remains at 118. Do you want me to read the next story?
So over here you can essentially use 2 commands, which is the next or the yes command. So right now I'm going to use the next command to show you how it works. Next.
Turkey passes neighborhood guards bill, alarms opposition. Do you want to hear more from the Star?
So I'm going to use the yes command right now. So let's try it out. Yes.
Turkey says US needs to play more active role in Libya. Do you want me to read the next story?
So assuming that the user wants to read the previous story, so they can use the command previous. So let's try it out. Previous.
Turkey passes neighborhood guards bill, alarms opposition. Do you want me to read the next story?
Let's say you want to read the previous of the previous story. So let's try previous again. Previous.
COVID-19, spike of 31 new cases, death toll remains at 118. Do you want to hear more from the Star?
So basically this is the play news function. Once you play the play latest news topic, it will essentially runs one article at a time. So right now it is programmed to actually just read the title. So when it is released, it will read the title as well as the article itself. And once it is done reading the article, it will prompt the user whether or not to read the next story. So for time's sake, it is shortened to just read the title. So for the user to go back to the main menu, what they can do is they can use the command talk to the star. Let's try. Talk to the star.
The Star Online.
So let's say Bixby did not recognize the command that you use, it will come out something like this. So let's use the command talk to the star again. Talk to the star.
Welcome to the Star. I'm your voice assistant and I can read you the latest or trending news, or just the headlines. Please choose one of these options. Latest headlines, latest news, top headlines, top news.
So let's say I want to select the first one, the latest headlines. So I just tap on it. And then we'll run for the latest headlines. It will take some time because the simulator will be a bit slow at retrieving
the latest headlines.
Yeah.
COVID-19, spike of 31 new cases, death toll remains at 118. Next story. Turkey passes neighborhood guards bill, alarms opposition. Next story. Turkey says US needs to play more active role in Libya.
So as you can see, the latest headlines essentially just reads all the articles in the list. So this is the right behavior. And then what it does is that it reads one by one and then it goes by next story for each title that it has read. So the difference with the latest news is that latest news reads the article, but latest headlines does not read the article, it just reads the title itself. So for you to read the article of all these headlines, right, tap into any of this article. and then it will pop out like this. It will ask you, oh, do you really want this? So you tap it again lah. And then there you go. Oh wait, I just disabled something. Let's go back for a bit. So let's go back to talk to the star. Sorry. Let's start all over so that it's more
Welcome
clear.
to the Star.
So I go into latest headlines, and then it retrieve the response from the Bixby server. Take some time.
The latest headlines.
And then let's not let it run the whole list again. I will stop the voice, and then let's go in again. And then go into it again, and then you will read the news. The full news itself. So let it respond first.
COVID-19, spike of 31 new cases, death toll remains at 118. Putrajaya, Malaysia recorded 31 cases on Thursday, June 11, taking the total.
So let's not let it read through the whole article. It will take some time. So if the user wants to go into the website, they can always click the read more button. The reason why Bixby does not show the full article is because it is meant to be a voice output service lah. So it will read for you instead of showing you the whole article. So yeah, so that's all for the Bixby demo. It's the same for the top news and top headlines. So I will skip that, and yeah, thanks a lot.